grass hunting. Almost got a bag. Yeah. I take advantage of these lovely green, luscious grass. It's me, JB Goats and Livestock. So, me alone, look a bicycle. I'm at a place called, them call it, well, further down more, them call it Hill Run. So, yeah, as you can see, mosquitoes take a toll on me. Get to find out my goats like these grass. So, let's try make a big bale of it. I see how them deal with it. Alright guys, it's like far from finished, but it's getting there. Got my pallets going, some more posts. Yeah, this is like the flooring. Kinda run out of board, but getting there. Yeah, so basically this is the new project that I'm working on. It's pretty huge. It's getting there, you know. We're getting there. Got a far way to go, see man. Alright, boat pen in the making, eh?